The CE-T12VDC5A is a UL-listed DC 12-volt 4-camera power supply for 12-volt CCTV camera systems. In comparison to the majority of large multi-camera power supplies, the CE-T12VDC5A is compact, lightweight, and easy to install. Nevertheless, don't be fooled by the small size. This power supply features a total output of 5 amps, equating to up to an amp per channel when following the 80% rule. To install, choose from either surface or DIN rail mounting options. Then, slide back the removable cover and secure your wire to the built-in terminal block, taking care to match the correct polarity. Connect power to your cameras, and you're done. Each channel includes its own LED power indicator, as well as a potentiometer for adjusting the voltage. Depending on the length of your wire run, adjust the voltage from 10.4 volts to 14.5 volts per channel as needed. The CE-T12VDC5A, a UL-listed DC 12-volt 4-camera power supply for professional CCTV installations.